Stop. Don't just listen to this video. Do this first. Sit up straight, take a deep breath, and ask yourself one honest question. When was the last time your body responded the way it used to? Because if you just sit there and watch without changing anything, nothing is going to change for you. I've been practicing urology for over 22 years, and I can tell you this, most men over 60 don't lose function overnight. It fades quietly until one day it's just gone. I remember a moment that caught me off guard. A patient, 67 years old, looked perfectly healthy on paper. No major disease, decent labs, but he leaned in and said, "Doctor, I still feel like a man in my head, but my body doesn't follow anymore." And what struck me wasn't what he said, it was how many times I had heard that same sentence before, almost word for word. Weak morning erections, inconsistent performance, that frustrating gap between desire and response. You probably know exactly what I'm talking about. At first, I did what most doctors do. I recommended the standard options, medications, supplements, even lifestyle tweaks. Some worked, briefly, most didn't last. And honestly, that bothered me, because I realized we were treating the symptom, not the system. The turning point for me came when I started questioning something we all thought we understood: blood flow. Not just more blood, but how the body creates, protects, and sustains that flow at a cellular level. And here's the part most men get wrong. It's not about one magic food or one pill. It's about how certain compounds work together inside your body, almost like a chain reaction. That's when I began testing something different, something simple: pairing specific fruits in a very intentional way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 fruit combinations that changed how I approached this problem, and more importantly, how my patients started seeing real, lasting improvement. Stay with me because the last pair is the one most men overlook. And pair number 3. I almost dismissed it at first. Honestly, I didn't expect much, but in the end, it turned out to make the biggest difference for many of my patients. If you're curious about why that happens and the science behind it, I've added more details in the description below. Before we go deeper, let me ask you something simple. How old are you? I read every comment and I genuinely want to know who I'm speaking to. All right, let's start with the first fruit combination. 1. Watermelon plus pomegranate. Let me start with something that sounds almost too simple, and that's exactly why most men overlook it. Take 2 slices of fresh watermelon, add a small glass of pure pomegranate juice, and have them together in the morning, ideally within 30 minutes after you wake up. That's it. No pills, no complicated routine. And I know what you might be thinking. There's no way something this simple can make a real difference. But this is where it gets interesting. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which your kidneys convert into arginine, and arginine is what your body uses to produce nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing your blood vessels and allowing blood to flow where it needs to go. Now here's the problem. After 60, your body doesn't just produce less nitric oxide, it also destroys it faster due to oxidative stress. That means even when your body tries to do the right thing, the signal gets cut off too early. This is where pomegranate changes the game. Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenols, and instead of creating nitric oxide, it protects it. Think of it like this. Watermelon turns the engine on, and pomegranate makes sure it keeps running. Some clinical data has shown that men who consumed pomegranate juice daily experienced noticeable improvements in blood vessel function, with certain markers of circulation improving by up to 30% over time. Another study observed better erectile performance scores after consistent intake of citrulline-rich foods within just a few weeks. So you're not just increasing blood flow, you're also preserving it. That's the dual benefit most people miss. Better circulation and better protection of that circulation working together instead of separately. And this matters even more as you age because the decline after 60 is not just about production, it's about loss and damage happening at the same time. Now let's make this practical. In the morning, after a glass of water, eat about 200 to 300 grams of watermelon. Don't throw away the white rind if you can blend it. That's where a lot of citrulline sits. Then drink about 150 to 200 milliliters of pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar. Do this daily, not occasionally. This isn't a quick fix, it's a rebuild. Most men start noticing subtle changes in energy and morning response within 2 to 3 weeks, with more consistent improvement around the 4 to 6 week mark. And here's the part I want you to remember. This is just the beginning. Because what happens when you don't just protect nitric oxide, but actually teach your body to produce more of it on its own? That's where the next combination comes in. 2. Blueberries plus dark grapes. Now let's go one level deeper because this next combination doesn't just support blood flow, it actually trains your body to produce it more efficiently. The method is simple, but again, often ignored. Take a handful of blueberries and about a dozen dark grapes, eat them together or blend them into a smoothie, and do this about 30 to 60 minutes before a light walk. It sounds like a small habit, but what's happening underneath is far more powerful than most people realize. In traditional medicine, dark-colored fruits have long been associated with nourishing the blood and supporting vitality, especially in aging men. Modern science now explains why. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that activate an enzyme called ENOS, the very enzyme responsible for producing nitric oxide inside your blood vessels. Dark grapes, on the other hand, contain resveratrol, which helps inhibit an enzyme called PDE5. That enzyme is the same target used by common medications, and its job is to break down the signal that keeps blood vessels open. So one fruit turns the system on, the other keeps it from shutting off too soon. Here's where it becomes real. A large observational study found that men who regularly consumed anthocyanin-rich foods saw up to a 14% reduction in erectile dysfunction risk, and when combined with moderate physical activity, that number increased to around 21%. Another controlled trial showed that resveratrol improved endothelial function, basically how well your blood vessels respond, by measurable margins, with improvements in dilation response reaching close to 30% in some groups. These are not overnight changes, but they are consistent and cumulative. Now let's talk about risk, because this is where many men unknowingly sabotage their progress. After 60, the enzyme ENOS becomes less active and oxidative stress increases. If you're also consuming high sugar or processed foods, you're accelerating the breakdown of nitric oxide while trying to rebuild it. That's like pressing the gas and the brake at the same time. This combination, blueberries and grapes, works best when you give your body a chance to respond, not fight against constant damage. Here's how to use it properly. Start with about half a cup of blueberries and 10 to 15 dark grapes per day. If you're new, begin with half that amount for the first week to let your digestion and metabolism adjust. Eat them together or blend with water. Avoid adding sugar. The ideal timing is before light movement, like a 20 to 30-minute walk, because physical activity increases blood flow and amplifies the effect of nitric oxide production. Over 3 to 4 weeks, most men begin to notice improved responsiveness and endurance. And now we move into something even more overlooked, something most men never connect to performance at all. Because what if the real issue isn't just blood flow, but whether your brain is even sending the right signal to begin with? 3. Beetroot plus watermelon. Now, this is the combination I almost overlooked, and honestly, it turned out to be one of the fastest-acting tools I've seen in practice. If you want something that doesn't take weeks to feel but can start working within hours, this is where you pay attention. The method is simple. Blend half a cup of beetroot juice with 1 cup of fresh watermelon. Drink it on an empty stomach, ideally 60 to 90 minutes before any physical activity or intimacy. It may not sound exciting, but what it does inside your body is very direct. The key compound here is dietary nitrates found in high concentration in beetroot. Once you consume it, your body converts nitrates into nitrites through bacteria in your mouth and then into nitric oxide in your bloodstream. Watermelon adds citrulline, which feeds into a second pathway of nitric oxide production. So instead of relying on just one route, you now have two systems working at the same time, one fast, one sustained. That's why this combination often produces noticeable effects much quicker than most natural methods. There are studies showing that beetroot juice can increase nitric oxide availability and improve blood flow within just 2 to 3 hours after consumption. In one trial, participants experienced up to a 20% improvement in vascular dilation within a single session. Another study observed increased exercise endurance by nearly 16% after consistent nitrate intake over a few days, which tells you this isn't just about function, it's also about energy and stamina. And for men over 60, that combination matters more than ever. Now let's address something you might be thinking. I've tried beet juice before, it tastes earthy, even unpleasant. That's true for some people. But when you mix it with watermelon, the natural sweetness balances it out significantly. Another concern is side effects. Some men notice a slight reddish color in urine or stool after drinking beet juice. That can feel alarming if you're not expecting it, but it's actually harmless and simply means your body is processing the pigments properly. In a way, it's a visible sign that the compounds are active. Here's how to use it correctly. Start with 100 milliliters of beetroot juice and about 200 to 250 grams of watermelon blended together. If you're new, begin with half that dose for the first few days to let your system adjust. Drink it in the morning or early afternoon, not late at night, because the boost in circulation and energy can be stimulating. Some men report feeling warmer, more alert, even slightly more responsive within the same day, while long-term use continues to improve baseline function. And this is where it gets even more interesting, because everything we've talked about so far is focused on blood flow. But what if the real limitation isn't the blood itself, but the signal coming from your brain and hormones that tells your body to respond in the first place? 4. Pomegranate plus dark chocolate. This one might sound unusual at first, even a little indulgent. Drinking pomegranate juice while eating a small piece of dark chocolate doesn't sound like a medical strategy, but stay with me, because this combination goes deeper than just boosting blood flow. It targets both large vessel circulation and the tiny microvessels that most men never think about, the ones responsible for sensitivity, response time, and tissue health. And for many men over 60, this is exactly where the real problem begins. The key compound here is flavanols, especially the ones found in high-quality dark chocolate. Once you consume them, they stimulate nitric oxide production, but more importantly, they improve something called endothelial function, which controls how flexible and responsive your blood vessels are. Pomegranate comes in as the protective partner again, rich in polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, allowing those blood vessels to stay open longer. The process involves signaling pathways like eNOS activation and improved nitric oxide bioavailability, but you don't need to remember the terms, just understand this. One enhances the signal, the other protects the environment where that signal works. Now here's what makes this powerful. In one controlled study, participants who consumed flavanol-rich cocoa experienced up to a 30% improvement in blood vessel dilation within hours. Another long-term study showed that regular intake improved microcirculation by over 20%, especially in peripheral tissues, the same areas where men often experience reduced sensitivity, numbness, or delayed response. If you've ever noticed slower healing, colder extremities, or that disconnected feeling, this is the level where those symptoms begin. Here's how to apply it safely and effectively. Start with about 150 milliliters of pure pomegranate juice and 10 to 20 grams of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Take it in the late afternoon or early evening when your body is transitioning into recovery mode and can absorb these compounds more efficiently. If you're new, begin with half the amount for the first week, then gradually increase. Avoid taking it with very hot drinks because excessive heat can degrade some of the active compounds, reducing effectiveness. Now, a quick but important note on safety. If you have diabetes or are sensitive to sugar, Choose unsweetened pomegranate juice and limit the chocolate portion. Also, if you are on blood pressure medication, monitor how you feel because improved circulation can enhance the effects of those medications. These are not dangerous reactions, but they are signals your body is responding. And now we're about to move into what I consider the most overlooked and, in many ways, the most powerful factor of all. Because even if your blood flow is strong, what happens if the signal from your brain and hormones isn't strong enough to use it? 5. Citrus plus green tea. If I had to choose one method, the one I would give to every man over 60 to use every single day, this would be it. Not because it works the fastest, but because it works the deepest. This combination uses a unique compound called EGCG found in green tea, paired with vitamin C from citrus fruits like lemon or orange. And what makes it different from everything we've talked about so far is this. It doesn't just improve blood flow, it helps your body maintain it day after day, like resetting the system from the inside. Here's how it works in simple terms. Think of nitric oxide like a message your body sends to open blood vessels. EGCG helps amplify that message, making it stronger and more consistent, while vitamin C acts like a shield, preventing that message from being destroyed too quickly. Together, they improve endothelial function, reduce oxidative stress, and support long-term vascular health. One study showed that regular green tea consumption improved blood vessel responsiveness by over 40% in certain groups, while another found that EGCG significantly increased nitric oxide availability and reduced markers of vascular damage within just a few weeks. Now let's talk about preparation, because this is where most people get it wrong. You don't want boiling water. Heat water to about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, then steep high-quality green tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon, not bottled juice, right after brewing. That combination enhances absorption of EGCG significantly. Drink it slowly, preferably in the morning or early afternoon, on an empty or light stomach so your body can actually use the compounds instead of filtering them out with heavy digestion. In terms of dosage, start with 1 cup per day for the first week. Let your body adjust. Then move to 2 cups daily, spaced apart, morning and early afternoon. This isn't a quick fix like a pill that works in an hour, but over 3 to 6 weeks, many men notice improved energy, better circulation, and more consistent function. Compared to medications, it's not about forcing a response, it's about restoring the conditions that allow your body to respond naturally without dependency. And here's the part I want you to take seriously. This is affordable, accessible, and sustainable. You're not relying on prescriptions, you're not spending hundreds of dollars a month, and you're not putting your body under unnecessary strain. You're giving it what it actually needs to repair itself. Because the truth is, your body hasn't stopped working. It's just been missing the right signals and support. And when you start giving it those signals consistently, something remarkable happens. It begins to come back. No drugs, low cost, backed by real science. And most importantly, it's something you can start tomorrow morning. If you found this helpful, don't just move on. Take a second and hit the subscribe button, because what we talked about today is only the beginning. In the next videos, I'll break down more science-backed strategies, simple daily habits, and overlooked combinations that can help you rebuild circulation, support hormone balance, and maintain strength and vitality well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Everything I share is based on real physiology, explained in a way you can actually use in your daily life. No complicated routines, no expensive solutions, just practical steps that work over time. So if you're serious about taking back control of your health and feeling like yourself again, make sure you're subscribed. I truly appreciate you being here and spending this time with me.